Welcome to HOIA, Healthy, Organic, Inspired Asian Food and Cooking. I'm Diane Yang Kirk, and today we are making a spicy tuna bowl with black rice. This super simple recipe is like a spicy tuna roll, but without the roll. So slow your roll, because this is just a bowl. If you like the content of this video, make sure you give it a like. And if you want to see more healthy, organic, inspired Asian recipes, please subscribe to my channel. And go ahead and ring that bell so you never miss an episode. Let's get started. For a spicy tuna bowl, we're gonna make our spicy tuna. This is about a half a pound of sashimi grade tuna. We're gonna start by cubing our tuna into larger cubes. At this point, it's up to you whether you like your spicy tuna with larger pieces of tuna or if you like it more broken up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my knife over and break this down. Did you hear this one? About the fish, who's a really bad singer. Guess she needed auto-tuna. I'm gonna turn my knife back around and give it an even finer chop. And don't forget, HOIA 101, make sure you wash your hands, knife, and cutting board even if you're cutting sashimi grade fish. Spicy tuna, as delicious as it is super easy to make, and you can turn regular tuna to spicy tuna with 2, maybe 3 ingredients. The first one is Japanese mayonnaise. A popular brand is QP. This you will find in the refrigerated section, and it comes in a squeezy bottle. 2 tablespoons of Japanese mayonnaise. Japanese mayonnaise doesn't taste like regular American mayonnaise, so if you can, try to find it. And 2 teaspoons of sriracha. The spicy in the spicy tuna, and then we give it a mix. At this point, if you like a spicier spicy tuna, you can add more sriracha, and you can also add a chili oil. You can make your spicy tuna to taste, and if anything, skew a little bit more salty and possibly even a little bit more spicy because this is going over rice. If you really like spicy, you can add some chili oil, and I really like spicy. We're pretty much halfway there, and we've just got 2 ingredients to chop. I've got a Persian cucumber and some scallions. I'm going to cut my Persian cucumbers into long, thin strips. I'm cutting first on an angle, and then I'm going to stack them up and cut my strips. And I'm gonna give my green onion a chop. I've already cooked my organic black rice, and I'm going to turn it into sushi rice. And I'm using a seasoned organic vinegar, and that is a shortcut, and you will understand why by watching my black rice sushi episode. I've got 2 cups of black rice and 1/4 cup of seasoned rice vinegar. And to this mix, I'm also going to add some toasted sesame oil for extra flavor. 1 teaspoon. And once again, we're going to mix it up using the C technique. For reference, see the sushi episode. I chose black rice for my recipe because it has more nutrients. Not only does it have more vitamins and minerals than white rice and even some brown rices, but it's also just really pretty. Now that my black rice is mixed, I'm going to spoon it into a small bowl. We're going to pat it down because the bowl is going to create a beautiful rice mound. Well, we're pretty much ready to plate. And I saved so much time in this recipe because it was so simple that I've got plenty of time to drink. This is a citrus yuzu flavored sake. I've never had it before, my first time on camera, and I'm excited. You know, when it comes to cooking, you can always make time for a sake break. Oh, that's delicious. I'll be drinking that tonight. My black rice is warm, but it's not steaming hot, and I'm going to transfer it to a larger bowl. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a clap, like this, and woo! With slightly wet hands, make a spicy tuna ball. And it's going to be just a little bit smaller than that rice mound, and place it right on top. I've got an avocado here, and we're gonna lay a few slices on top of the tuna. Now I'm gonna generously sprinkle my spring onions on top of the avocado and around the rice. I've got white sesame seeds. I'm gonna sprinkle it on top and all around the mound. And finally, my cucumber slices in this back corner. We're gonna make a little bit of a cucumber garden. I'm all about looks when it comes to food, and I think what will finish this off perfectly is a sprinkle of black sesame seeds. And since we're getting creative, I'm going to finish this off with a dollop of sriracha on top. It kind of looks like a sushi sundae. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious spicy tuna black rice bowl. As you can see, this dish is totally open for interpretation, so feel free to get creative like I did. And with that, I'm going to roll out. I mean, bowl out. HOIA!
Oh, lipstick on your teeth.
Inspired Asian food recipes. Is that right? Is that Asian food recipes? Is that what I always say?
That's the name of your show, yeah.
Oh yeah, that one. If you like your spicy tuna with larger chunks of tuna, or if you like it more beat up.
Not the back of the knife.
You have a monkey.
Monkey smells the tuna. Monkey.
You can see we feed our cats on the kitchen counter.
Our cat gets sashimi grade tuna. No. There you go.
Be happy, monkey. Be happy.
What is this? It has more nutrients. Not only does it have more oh crap. You see me bowling, not rolling. This isn't a, no. I don't know how to rap. I'm all, oh, happy. And since we're getting creative, I'm going to finish this off with a dollop of sriracha on side, and I promise this, what?
No, on top.
I said on top.
You said on the side.
Oh, okay.
I like your hair.
It's all mine. Thank you. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this episode of HOIA Food and Cooking, please like this video and share it with your friends. New videos will be going up each week on my channel, so please subscribe to see the latest delicious, healthy, organic, inspired Asian food recipes. I'd love to hear from you, so please comment below and tell me what you loved about this video, and also what dishes you'd like to see me prepare in the future. HOIA!